here today with Jeff. Hi Jeff, how are you?
Doing good, and yourself?
Excellent, thank you so much. Well, Jeff just finished another training here with us at our facilities. Mm-hmm. So Jeff, tell us a little bit of what kind of work do you do?
I'm a new job shop owner. Just started my own business. Been in the industry for a while, working at different shops. Got the opportunity and decided to open up my own shop. I built the shop. I'm just not getting power to it. Researched and found BobCAD-CAM to be the most efficient software for my
for what you were trying to do.
What I'm trying to do. So
well, that's awesome. So you found about us. You know, you started working on...
I was, actually, a guy I worked with mentioned BobCAD. A lot of shops, a lot of small shops use BobCAD-CAM, and it's a more cost-effective choice, and you get the same results.
That's crazy, you know? Like, it's probably the same functionality, and you just have to pay a lot more for other brands.
Yes, because I've used Mastercam working at different shops, self-taught myself, and this has all the same functions. It's no different. If not, if anything, it might even be easier, more user-friendly.
So Jeff, I think one of our biggest struggle as a company is to help users understand why they need to come here or why we should go to their shops, you know? So you're a self-taught person, you taught yourself Mastercam. How different and how much time did you save by just coming here 2 days over like trying to do it yourself?
At least a month.
At least a month.
At least a month.
So we could say like by coming here 2 days, you save a month of work.
I'd say, yeah.
Okay, yeah, because exactly, and that's one of the important things of getting the training. You come here, you probably take, you're with us 2 days here, 2 days?
2 days.
Perfect, 2 days, and you get everything you need to get started, get going, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, Jeff, thank you so much for sharing this with us. It was a pleasure to have you here, and
thank you.
Well, we just hope you come back here and just enjoy the weather in Tampa. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.